Hello, my name is Mark, and I'm a first-year student here at California School of Law. And I'd like to go over some of the reasons why I chose California School of Law for my legal education. A little background on me. I have an educational background in philosophy. I have a master's in philosophy and an undergrad in history. And I've always had a desire to, become a lawyer and to practice law. And California School of Law provides a unique opportunity for a working professional to be able to have a legal education and go to work. And I currently work as a regional manager for a software company. And after finishing the LSAT, I was applying to law schools and considering all my options, as I'm sure you're doing right now. And the California School of Law really is unique, and I chose the school mainly for three reasons. The first being location, online. I don't have to actually drive to a brick and mortar school. I can click on my computer and see a class and interact with students and professors right here from the convenience of my own home, and that is a fantastic option for me. The drive time to and from a school and all that might entail with my busy schedule working and having to study for law school, it's a fantastic option to be able to do this online. So right from the convenience of my own home. So that was one of the main reasons why I chose this school. The second reason I chose California School of Law is the formatting of the education. For me, it's not only the legal education that I'm looking for, but as you know, you have to pass the bar exams. And if you have a great degree from a prestigious university and you can't pass the bar exams, then you can't practice law. You're not licensed to practice law, and you've wasted a lot of money and a lot of time. California School of Law is unique in that you take all of your midterms and your finals on the same software that the bar exam and the first-year law student exams are taken on. And the questions that are on all of your midterms and finals come from past exams from the bar and from first-year law student exams, and they're organized in such a way that whatever subject you're taking, those questions will be asked from those tests. So I feel that I am very well prepared when I'm going to take these tests and maybe even have an advantage from other students that have taken a more traditional law school education because I've already taken the test on the software. I'm familiar with the questions that are going to be asked, and I'm prepared to pass the bar in a very unique way, and I've already spent years of my education preparing for it compared to some other law students that are finishing their legal education and then they're going to have to go take a prep class for the bar. So that's a fantastic advantage that I believe California School of Law has that other institutions may not have. And then, of course, one of the main reasons why I chose California School of Law is the teachers. The teachers at California School of Law are not only excellent at teaching, but they're in the field of law that they're teaching you. So you're going to have a very pragmatic and real approach to law as opposed to maybe a professor that is only teaching law but has never practiced law. And for me, I'm the kind of guy that you can have lots of knowledge about something, but if you don't have the wisdom of actually applying that knowledge in the real life situations, then it's just all theory. And most of the teachers that I've experienced here at California School of Law, they are practicing attorneys. They're working for prestigious firms, they've been in law for years, and they're teaching. And some of the other schools I looked at, the professors are well known and they're great professors, but they've never practiced law. And I'm sure you're aware of practicing law is not just about what you know, but how to apply it. And the school has a fantastic teaching staff that is actually hands-on and teaches and works in the field. And lastly, and I'm sure you're considering this, is the cost of CSL. CSL's cost for the education that you're getting is fantastic. It's about 1/3 as I was shopping around compared to some of the other legal institutions that are teaching law today. So 1/3 of the cost. I mean, you're talking, you could be in debt upwards of $100,000 and finishing law school, or you can go to CSL and actually have your law school education paid for and enter into practicing law. And that is a very big deal. I have friends that are attorneys. They've been practicing law for years and they're still paying off their school loans as opposed to having a mortgage or something else, and that puts a lot of pressure on them. Where when I finish CSL, I'll have my debt paid off and I'll be ready to practice law, so I'll have an advantage there. So I hope you would consider CSL as your legal education, and I hope that you'll consider us as an option for you. Also, don't be intimidated by online education. There's no difference. The only difference is you're in your house. You're still going to read more than you've ever read in your whole life, and you're still going to be challenged in ways that you never thought you were challenged. But this is a fantastic school, and I recommend it highly. Thank you for your time.